Better Ways to Save is brought to you by Coupons.com. Click, print, save. Coupons.com.
These two little tips can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Most stores will give you a partial refund if you buy something and then it goes on sale. Before making a purchase, ask the store for its price adjustment policy. Usually they'll tell you if the item goes down in price within 7 or 14 days, you can bring the receipt in for a refund of the difference. It's worth it to ask for specific details of the store policy and be sure to hang on to your receipts. Price adjustments are the way a store can keep you from returning the item and buying it again at the sale price. Now keep in mind that some merchandise may not qualify for an adjustment. Price matching is a little different if there's an item you see in the newspaper ads or advertised on the internet, or if you see coupons for an item. Print them and bring them into your local store and ask management if they will match the price. Stores want you to shop with them, so if giving you the discount on the item will bring you in, they're often very happy to do it.
Better Ways to Save is brought to you by Coupons.com. Click, print, save. Coupons.com.